Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in two essentials: a reliable sleep window and a pre-shift routine. Once you pick a 7-8 hour block, make the sleeping environment dark and 18-20 degrees C. This trains your circadian cues. Before walking in, eat a light protein plus complex carbs meal and drink 300-500 ml water so you won't crash early. Also pack a lamp or bright light for the first hour. Use it to shift alertness quickly and deliberately before your duties start. Once on duty, manage energy with plan tactics rather than willpower. You take 20-30-minute tactical naps during low-demand windows to cut sleep debt without grogginess. Make sure to use 15-30 minutes of bright light early in the shift and after each break to keep circadian signals aligned. Move every 1-2 hours for 5 to 10 minutes. Light exercise like walking or dynamic stretches resets alertness and circulation. Combine food timing with activity. Smaller snacks maintain stable. You end the shift with a controlled wind down so recovery sleep actually happens. Once you finish, limit bright screens for 30-60 minutes, dim lights, and follow a short calming routine to cue sleep. Aim for a full 7-8 hour recovery block immediately after work. That preserves performance on subsequent nights. If you can't fall asleep repeatedly, try short-term 0.51 mg melatonin and adjust sleep timing by 30-60 minutes. If problems persist, consult a sleep specialist to troubleshoot shift-related insomnia.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.